Yeah.
So it's just, and the college beds, just
Right.
nothing. So I was just super tight, and then I come in and I feel like super stiff, and then I feel good.
Sure. Take a deep breath in. Good. In out. Awesome. Awesome. Very nice. This one's for your sister. Okay? She's been wanting you to do this since the beginning.
Weirdo.
Here. Awesome. Now we got one more. Good stuff.
I don't think I've ever popped that much on my neck. Oh my god. That was a lot.
Yeah?
But it feels like
Feeling alright?
pressure, off my head, though.
Good.
It feels good. But wow, kind of took me for a surprise.